Good morning, team.
Good morning, Doc.
So, final plan for the all-department acquaintance party. We need to be practical since we are using the covered court. First, the theme. Will it be Halloween or Wild West?
Well, I still like Wild West. It's different, and since the court is large, we can set up fun Western style booths and games for everyone, not just the new students.
But Siler, the court is huge and open. Halloween is much easier to manage there. You can use cheap, powerful lights and scary music. It creates a vibe that appeals to the masses. What do you think?
And safety, the court is exposed. If it is rain, the ground gets wet. The Halloween is less complicated and easy to protect our move quickly.
We have to be fair. Randall, the online poll is ready, right? Send it to all of the students in our department from first year to last year. We need those votes.
Paul is ready to launch to all students, but my main worry is sound. If we go with the court, we need to rent an industrial level sound system, or no one can hear the host or the sound. We need that cost approved now.
Oh, Rindle, get the code for the sound rental from the supplier we used last year.
Yes.
Okay. So, next up, program flow and host. Jim?
We need activities that force competition and pride. After the quick welcome, we should have a dance competition where each academic program prepares a performance that will get huge audience support.
Agreed. That's a much better centerpiece than a relay. And the host needs to be loud and energetic for the big space. Let's allocate some funds for a well-known MC that can handle big crowds. What do you think?
Hiring a professional is smart. That guarantees the energy stays high. And let's make a separate setting for the students who want to sit with their blocks. But the upperclassmen want a space near the court. We need a clear zone in the court.
Good spatial thinking, Leah. Last item, food and overall budget. Leah, how are we managing the 380 pesos?
The caterer is bundling everything. The 380 per person covers enough the full plate, the DJ, plus the major decoration and basic lighting that needed in the court. So the 380 covers the whole experience.
That's perfect. A full meal and a professional atmosphere, all covered by the 280 pesos budget. That's a good deal.
I agree. Plated meal, professional DJ, lighting and decorations. All covered by 380 pesos. That's our focus. So, Rendell,
Yes.
send the poll to the entire department now and get the sound system code. Leia, book the plated meal deal and create a seating chart draft for the court. Cyril, lock in the DJ, lighting and decoration budget and get a call for the MC. So, we'll meet again on Thursday to review the venue, set a plan, and the vote result. Then, let's make this happen, guys. So, thank you everyone for coming, and let's call it a day.
Thank you.